Hey guys, Justin here, Mr. BMW South Africa, and I was just thinking today I want to show you guys how the BMW parks itself. So we're just going to casually drive into the parking bay and we're going to let the BMW decide for itself if it's going to fit into that section or not. Alright, so you guys are going to experience this with me today. Okay, so you see here's the parking over here. We're going to go past. The park distance control is on, so let's see, go past it. Should give me a warning. There we go. So as soon as you see this little P sign over here, you just press, and now you just pray. So I'm going to leave the brake and let's see what happens. The car will do everything by itself. I'm just going to keep my foot on the brake just in case. But there, the car's doing everything by itself. There we go. I'm not touching anything. Let me just do this. Guys, this is probably the scariest thing ever, but this is technology for you today. It really feels ridiculous. There we go. It's just checking the lines, also checking how far it is from the other car as well, and just making sure that we get into the parking as straight as possible. And as soon as we're done, the car will let you know. Bing. And there we go. So that is how you perpendicular park your BMW by itself or on its own. Thank you guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Next one will come up soon. Enjoy the day. Peace.